Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Real Geeks account adds an extra layer of security to protect your information. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Real Geeks website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or two-factor authentication. Click on this section to begin the setup process. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, you will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Click the toggle or checkbox to activate it. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Set up your 2FA method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via a mobile app like Google Authenticator or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, including scanning a QR code or entering a verification code. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Real Geeks account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.